Hey guys, Janet here with Strange RV Tours. We're here in Texas, Lake Tawakoni RV Campground, Thousand Trails, out here in Point, Texas, east of Dallas, about 30 minutes from Royce City, which is east of Dallas. But this is gorgeous, and it's starting to sprinkle. It was raining all night. We're going to be heading out probably tomorrow, but we've been here almost 2 weeks, and it's been lovely. So I'll show you around so you can see the Lake Tawakoni. Anyway. It is nice. Look, all the water. Oh my gosh. From Vegas, you don't get this, okay? You don't get trees either. You don't get mud either. There's the cabins. Pretty nice cabins, huh? Really nice. And play golf. I think it's like 250 feet, yards. I don't know. Okay, here we are. Huge.
You know, I'm never going to feel like it's double folded that. We talked about that. Right. If it ever rolled, it ain't gonna work. It's gonna roll, see? Yeah, see how I lined it? High on one side. Have you got any new ones, or I ain't gonna get one? Can you put this on just to make sure? Yeah, you can keep them blowing up like that right there. They're done.
The thing I'm curious about is the what? This shaft and the
Okay guys, another review of a park, and it was really a nice one, Lake Tawakoni and Thousand Trails. But if you like the video, hit like. If you like what we do and where we go and all that stuff and all the crazy stuff we do, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And then share if you could too, because, you know, get the word out. Thanks.